Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Charles Schwab account number. First, the easiest way is to log into your Schwab account online. Once you're logged in, simply navigate to the Accounts tab or the Summary page. Your complete account number, usually an 8-digit number, will be clearly visible on this screen. This method is quick and accessible from any computer. Another reliable method is to check your Charles Schwab account statements. Whether you receive them by mail or electronically, your account number is prominently displayed. Look for it near the top of the first page, often alongside your name and address. These statements provide a comprehensive overview of your account, including this crucial identifier, making it easy to locate. The Charles Schwab mobile application also offers a convenient way to find your account number. After logging into the app on your smartphone or tablet, navigate to your account details or profile section. You'll typically find the full account number listed there, often under an account information or summary heading. This provides quick access while on the go. If you're still unable to locate your account number, contacting Charles Schwab Client Service is always an option. You can reach them by phone, and a representative will be happy to assist you. Be prepared to verify your identity with personal information, such as your social security number or date of birth, to ensure secure assistance. They can provide your account number directly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.